guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing our little Lashybox for the month of June 2020. This was actually the extra large box. So if you want to know what they sent out, then just go ahead and keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the whole world to me. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so as usual, I have not opened my little box at all yet. I just got it in the mail. This one is actually the extra large box. And this one does retail for $25, I believe so. I'm not 100% sure, but I will leave all of Lashybox's information down below on the description bar. I do have a referral link, so you guys can go ahead and click on it. I do not make any commission or anything like that. It's just a friendly referral link. That's all it is. Okay, we're gonna be unboxing the extra large box, and let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. You guys, the color of this box is so freaking gorgeous. Like when I got this in the mail, it was just like sitting there and it just like pops. Like this is so freaking cute. I absolutely love the packaging on it. I used to have the full-size box before, and let's open it up. And the box was pink, so the extra large box came in this beautiful purple packaging. And this is what it looks like. Oh my god, how freaking cute! You guys, I actually went back to work and I have not been wearing eyelashes because I don't want to touch my eyes when I'm at work. So I'm going to be saving these eyelashes, but for sure I will be putting them to use because I am an eyelash girl. I already see something that I really like. Let's start off with this because this has a really nice pop of color. Okay, there's like two stuck in here. All right, so we're gonna start off with this one. Oh my god, this is so cute. And this is what this eyelash looks like. It is a purple multicolored eyelash. This is by Lashybox is the brand. This is a 3D silk blueberry eyelash. Oh my god, this is cute. We're gonna have to create a look because I just can't. It's so cute. The next pair of eyelashes that we got was this one. It is by Lashybox. They're also 3D silk eyelashes, and this one is in the style Gemini. I hope you guys can see it. I don't think they're in the glare, but this is what it looks like. So freaking cute. Oh my god. Third pair of eyelashes that we got is this one by Lashybox as well. Now this one's extra super dramatic, and these are fun to wear, but they are very, very pretty. And this one is in the name Summer is the style. Okay, so we got three pairs of the Lashybox eyelashes. We are gonna move on to the next box that's on here, and it is by Flaunt Beauty. This is what it looks like, and it's super full, long and curled. I really, really like this. This one doesn't have a name, I don't think so. Anyhow, let me just take it out of the packaging really quick so we can get a closer look at it. All right, this is what it looks like. The band looks okay. It's not that thick. I'm very particular about the bands because I don't want to have like a wonky eyelash, but it doesn't look that thick, and it looks like it would be super flexible. Oh my god, this one's really cute as well. And the next one that we got is this one right here by Rude Cosmetics. Now we have been getting a bunch of Rude Cosmetics items in the past, so I'm totally feeling it. This one looks like it's a little bit more wispier and spidery. Very pretty. It's similar to the one that we got last month, I believe, but the one from last month was a lot shorter. It was like a little baby eyelash. Super cute. I like this one. I already lost count. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pairs of eyelashes. OMG! They sent us some makeup. How freaking cute is this? All right, so this looks like it's a lip gloss, and it's a really nice color. Okay, let me take it out of the packaging. We're gonna try this on right now. Okay guys, so this is by the brand Illuminati. It's so freaking pretty. I love the color on it. It's a liquid luxe lip gloss, and it gets better. Look at this little wand that it has here. I love these types of wands because you can really outline your lips. It kind of reminds me of like the Jeffree Star wands. Like for my Jeffree Star concealer, it has like the same little wand. Anyhow, I really like it. I am gonna swatch it. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It doesn't look like it's sticky. Let's hope it's not sticky. So let's try it on. Okay, so this is what it looks like once it's on. It doesn't feel sticky. It's like nice and smooth. It actually feels so much better than my liquid lipstick. And I think they complement each other. So this is like a really nice topper that I would use like for the spring. I don't know. I'm not much of a lip gloss person, but I'm slowly getting into it. That's what I really love about subscriptions. They send you stuff that you would normally not buy and you end up falling in love with them. So I'm actually gonna be getting a really good use out of this little lip gloss, and the packaging is so freaking cute. All right guys, we are gonna move. My lips just look like extra juicier and glossy. I don't know, it might be like a spring vibe that I'm just getting into right now. I don't know, I'm not much of a glossy person, but anyhow, we're gonna move on. Guys, look what they sent out. So we also did get a Oak Clan Mysterious One highlight brush, blush, bronzing, veil face palette. Oh my god, I can't even talk. I get so excited. But this is what it looks like. The packaging is so freaking cute. So it's a highlight, a blush, and a contouring palette. I don't know. I think this box is totally worth it. Yay! It comes with a mirror. I love these palettes, so you can fold them all the way back and hold it in one hand and just like go in and use the actual items. This palette is so cute. Okay, let me take off the little shield that it has right in front because I want to try these on. I already do have like blush and contour and bronze and like all of that, but this palette is so freaking cute. Let me get this off. I'm having a hard time taking this off. Okay guys, so this is what the palette looks like. It looks like we have a highlight, like a topper, this one, and this one might be like blush shades, and this one might be like the bronzer. I don't know, but we are gonna go in with this shade right here. I think this is like the bronzer. Let me just tap it off a little. Let me just add a little bit extra bronze. Doesn't hurt anybody, right? Oh my god, I actually really like the color. Let me just warm up my face even more. Okay. Yes, definitely liking the little bronzer. This one right here, very nice. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Gonna add a little extra blush. Oh my god, I'm kind of low-key scared. Slowly tap it. Oh my Jesus, I think this is, oh my god, I put way too damn much. Well, it's okay, we're gonna make it work. Oh my god, yes, love. Let me add the excess to my forehead, to the side of my nose, to my chinny chin chin, to my neck. Oh my god, yes, love, love, love. Okay, we need a highlight. Look how nice and shiny it is. I don't know if it's picking it up. Okay, oh my god, this one, which one was it? I think it was this one. I'm sorry guys, I'm not meaning to flip you off, but I think it was this highlight right here. This one's this one. We are gonna go in with this highlight. I'm just gonna use, I shouldn't be adding highlight because I'm breaking out so damn much. I think the mask at work and like all the vapor as I'm breathing, it's like literally breaking me out. Anyhow, let's just add some extra highlights. Okay, here we go. There's the highlight. Yes, I think the palette is okay. I actually really like it. Okay guys, we're gonna move on to the next items because they actually did send out another palette. It's nice and sealed and it has a bubble wrap. They sent out this palette and it is called Indigo? I don't know. I'm not sure exactly how you pronounce it. The name of the palette is Indica. I was looking at it backwards. Okay, so it is a Indica 6-color eyeshadow palette and it is infused with cannabis, That's something different. I wonder if it smells like it. I'm just kidding. But anyhow, let's open it up and see what this little palette is about. Oh my god, it's like really nicely packaged. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so I love the packaging. Again, you can fold it all the way back. It kind of smells. I'm not mad at the smell. It's not a strong smell, but it smells pretty good. And this is what the palette looks like. I do not have any eyeshadow because I knew we were gonna get this palette, but I just didn't know what to expect. Anyhow, this is what the palette looks like. I'm gonna create a really minimal look with this palette because I want to see how it works. And I will be applying the really pretty purple eyelashes, and then I'll come back with my thoughts about how this palette performs. Okay, so I'm actually gonna go in with this shade right here. It's like a bright corally shade. It's called Northern Lights, and it's a really nice like matte shade. It actually looks different on my finger. So I did prime my eye. I'm using my P. Louise base, so that's what I'm just gonna apply to my crease. And we're just gonna create a look, guys. Let's see how this turns out. But I'm excited to use, oh, it's really nice. It's actually applying very nicely, and it does look like pretty true to color. I am slowly gonna build it up to how I like it. We're gonna use those eyelashes. That's what I'm mostly excited about, honestly, to tell you the truth. Those colorful eyelashes are like everything. And we're just gonna create a look really quickly. Okay guys, so this is how the eyeshadow palette performed. It performed very nice, I must say. The colors are true to pan. I actually really like it, and I didn't have very much fallout, and I think it's because of the base. The base really holds on to that pigment of the eyeshadow, so I'm actually really loving this little palette. And now we're gonna move on to the little start of the show. We are gonna go ahead and apply our Lashybox Blueberry Falsies to complete the look. I think my eyelash is about ready. It is ready to be installed onto my eyelid. So we are just gonna go ahead and apply this and finalize our look. I'm using the Lashybox, the blueberry eyelashes. Oh my god, I love how nice and fluttery they are. Okay guys, so I actually came outdoors to show you guys what the eyelash looks like once it is on. I feel like it lightened my eyes, like the hazelness is coming out now. I think it's so freaking cute and unique. I highly recommend these pop of color eyelashes to you guys. Love this so much. And here is the final recap of the box. The complete Lashybox for the month of June. Totally worth it. 2 palettes, 5 pairs of eyelashes, and a lip gloss. What else can I say? I am over exceeded as a customer. Okay, so we are gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. I just wanted to recap everything that we got. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 pairs of eyelashes in this month's box. They all just fell. 5 pairs of eyelashes. We also did get a eyeshadow palette to complete this look. Super cute with the mirror. Very nice. We also did get the highlight, blush, and bronzing palette that looks like this. And we also did get a very nice lip gloss. I would have to say that by far this is my favorite box that I've ever got from Lashybox. I can't even talk because I'm so excited. So I highly recommend it to you guys to go check them out. It's totally worth it, I promise. That's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys liked today's video, please make sure to give your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.